I haven't used my Nescafe Dolce Gusto for over a year. Finally, now I want to use it. I added some water and a pressed brew, and no water came out. I tried everything. So now, finally, I got it to work. So let me show you guys how I did it. Let's dive into it.
Right, this shit crazy, this shit crazy.
So this is my machine, the Nestle Dolce Gusto. I haven't used it in about a year, and now I finally wanted to use it. I added water, and I hear the pumping, but no water came out. So let me show you how I made it work. Once you remove the water reservoir, there is a tool, a poker, or a tool that you use to clean out the nozzle. Let's remove that first so we can access the nozzle. There's the nozzle. I will insert the tool, and I would exercise it to make sure it's cleaned out. Most of the time the coffee grounds gets inside that nozzle, so you want to clear that out. Make sure you have plenty of water. Make sure it's full all the way to the line. I'm only using tap water, and I'm just using the room temperature water. I'm not using the hot water. You don't have to, I don't think. Now it's time to set up the machine as if I'm going to brew some coffee. Press that red button and then slosh the water. Shake the machine side to side. This will help prime the water from the reservoir to the pump, and then pump all the way up to the other reservoir to heat up the water. Yeah, see, you can see it's working. Look at that. Wow, let's make some coffee, baby. I discovered this method by accident. So I was so frustrated with this machine, I started shaking it. I was so upset. And then I started noticing the tone of the pump started changing. It becoming to be more quieter. And then suddenly water was coming out. I said, wow, this is it. This is the answer. So now I like to share it with you guys. So you don't have to throw your machine away.